Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube thumbnail. I've tried to make this video 3 times, but yeah, we're just going to carry on because you guys saw my email in the last one. But anyway, you might be wondering how do I make a thumbnail, and I will tell you in this video. This is how to make it on laptop, so if you're on phone it could be different, or any other device. But yeah, and you might be wondering, this is not your channel. Yes, it is. This is my other channel that I have, and I'm gonna be using this as a reference because I don't have another video that I want to do a thumbnail for on this channel. So, and I still need to sort a couple of things out for that channel. So I'm just using my most popular channel. You can go follow it if you want to, but yeah. Also, this takes a couple of steps, so please be patient, and I'm really sorry about the lagging cursor. I don't really know what's going on there, but yeah. So first you need to type up on Google Pixar, and this is a editing software. Now it's a software for just pictures, I think. But yeah, once you're on it, you can create an account for free. You go down and you go to the different posts and different formats, and then go to YouTube thumbnail, and then you can create design. And then once you do this, hopefully it doesn't show my email again. I've already made one, but you can go on to stickers and you can type up a background. So if I wanted to do, if I wanted to type in background, I could, and also you don't really need Plus, you can use it for free, but a lot of it is for Plus, but it's okay. Most things that you search, whatever. But anyway, that don't need it. But anyway, you can search it up like, you have to, what am I saying? I don't know, but yeah. You can make it like this if you like, and just chill out. Just, you know, do it how you want. But anyway, I've already done it, so I'm going to show you mine. This is mine. It's really bad, but I just made it for this video. So once you made it, you can mess around with the different things. If you've already used PicsArt, you guys know how to do it. You're an OG. And all you have to do is press export once you've finished and download it as a JPG. I'm pretty sure that works. If not, I'll do it a different way. But yeah, so then it'll tell you when it is downloaded, and it'll be up here somewhere. Oh shit. It will be in downloads right here. And so then what you have to do is go type in on Google YouTube Studio. And also, guys, if you want to follow my YouTube channel, this is my YouTube channel. Quick plug. Also, my videos are very much copyright strike, so I'm flopping, but you know. And I only have 11 videos on there, but they're doing quite well. So yeah. So what you need to do is type in YouTube Studio onto Google. I'm sorry if I said a few things wrong in this video. I'm not very. I get very scared making videos. But anyway, once you go onto YouTube Studio, it will ask you to log into your account. I'm already logged into my channel. So yeah, but then what you need to do is go down to publish videos here, and you have to have a video already made. You can't, and you have to use YouTube Studio. You can't edit a video that you're posting. It has to already be posted. So make sure it already been posted, and then go to videos here, and then it should show you like what views it is, what likes, public, copyright. Mine are all copyrighted, but you know we don't talk about it. But anyways, then you go on this little details icon here, right? On the video that you want to choose, and then you can do your description. If you want a description, you can change the title. It is partially blocked at the moment, but I might just do it on unlisted. I'm not really sure what that means, but comment down below what that means. Then you go into thumbnail and you press on it. Oh no, you press on 3 dots, sorry, and then you press on upload file. And then once you've done that, you press on downloads, and your title project should be there. And it'll download it, and it will be perfect because it is gonna be in the YouTube thumbnail format. So yeah, and then you could just select what you want, age restrictions, all that. And then once you've done that, it should be on it, and it shouldn't be like really bad quality like this, but this is just a tutorial, so I'm not actually gonna do it, but yeah. But you can press save, and then it should go onto your YouTube channel. It actually looks pretty cool, so I might just keep it. So now you can go onto YouTube, and you go back. I don't want you guys seeing my shit that I'm watching, but you know. Go to the view channel. It's not gonna load. Awkward. Anyways, go to your channel. Hopefully it works. So once you have gone to your channel, it should be there. So here it is. Here's the scene pack. Now it might be a bit bad quality, but it might be because it is a JPEG or whatever it was. You can do a different quality if you want, but the video still plays. The video doesn't have you know, here like that. It doesn't have any what's it called? It doesn't have that picture at the start, you know, how some people do it. It's on the video. So if you wanted to go into here and like edit it, I'm not sure how you do that, but oops. I think you have to go onto YouTube Studio for this. But if I refresh on YouTube Studio, it should be on here. So yeah, that's how to do it. And yeah, so if you want to follow me on YouTube, this is my YouTube channel. I obviously have this one too, and I'll be posting more on this channel too. So yeah, that's how I make my thumbnails. I'm pretty sure there's other ways of doing it, but this is just the most authentic way. Don't follow any like tutorials, like pressing links or anything like that, because it might hack you or something. But anyway, hope you enjoyed. I hope you followed this well. Sorry if I said a few things wrong. Please consider subscribing to this channel as well as the channel you're watching on now. And I'll see you in the next one. And if you want one tutorial on mobile version of this, I will do it if you guys want me to, but comment down below. And thank you for watching. More videos coming soon. I have so many videos that I want to post. And yeah, see you next time.